Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks ended August with a mixed performance Friday at the end of a month of brutal selling in Southeast Asia. Markets were broadly positive on the final trading day for a tough month in Asia. Renewed concerns over if and when the US Federal Reserve will start to roll back its bond buying program hit Southeast Asian markets especially hard. The Philippines and Indonesia were said to be the worst performance for the month, down 9.1% and 10% respectively so far in August, registering the worst monthly declines for these markets since the global financial crisis in 2008. Thailand was down 9.2% over the same period. Stocks were mixed Friday with South Korea Kospi and Australia's ASX 200 rising 0.6% and 0.5% respectively. On Friday, the dollar weakened against the yen after pushing 0.7% higher overnight, as US second quarter gross domestic product growth was revised up to a 2.5% annual rate compared with an earlier estimate of 1.7%. The yen was last at 98.25 to the dollar compared with 98.34 late Thursday in New York. Fears over possible military intervention in Syria, which has weighed heavily on global markets this week, also continued to weaken as there were signs that action might not be imminent. On Thursday, the White House prepared to brief lawmakers about Syria's alleged use of chemical weapons, and British Prime Minister David Cameron said no decision to act had been made. A big data calendar, the fact that today is the last day of the week and the month, recent market jitters and the possibility of a Western military strike in Syria should make the session an interesting one. Eurozone August flash estimate Euro area inflation 9 GMT. The inflation rate is expected to have fallen in August to 1.4% from July's 1.6% annual rate. The failure of inflation to move towards the European Central Bank's target of 2% is quite worrisome, but fits the grim monetary data reported earlier this week, which show that the European credit crunch is still in full swing as lending to corporations continues falling in the Eurozone. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.